Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I will show you how to remove save login information on Facebook app. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin and first open up Facebook app. Then hit right here at menu icon to open up menu. After that right there you can find that gear icon. Hit on that to open up settings. On settings, all you have to do is right here, tap at search box, and then start typing login. It shows you that options. Now you have to select security and login, just next to that shield icon. And there you can easily find where you are allowed in. There you can hit at see all to get all the information about all the logins of your account from any devices. You can go through all of that at least, and in that simple way, you can clear any of that information. You can hit right here at 3 dots, and then you can hit it to log out. To log out from that specific device. Also right there, you can find log out of all sessions. You can select that option. And now it says that this will log you out of Facebook from every device that you are currently logged in on. If you agree with that, just hit add logout. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial. And also, I recommend you to check out my Facebook tutorials playlist where you will find a lot of useful videos. You can easily find that playlist in description. Hit the like button if you like that video, and I see you in the next one.